Okay, for this second week, I concentrated in the certain plants that resembles the organs on the body and the circulatory system. As a garden, in reality, our body is like a garden. This flower is called bleeding heart. It's a beautiful flower, but it's a poisonous one. Interesting. It is called bleeding heart because of the drop that it has on the bottom. And it grows native to Asia in North America. They bloom primarily in April to June, and the plant is poisonous. It can actually cause skin irritation, but it resembles a heart. I was looking something that resembles the heart, and something that it can compare to the physical organs. The good thing is that this flower renew, and it goes with the Psalm 119. With my whole heart, I seek you. It's like a heart with Torah is a whole heart. And even though this flower is so beautiful, can cause skin irritation, is poisonous to other. A heart without the Torah, it can actually cause irritation to oneself and to others. It's important to have Torah thoughts and actions. Gevurah Sheve Chesed. I will put this one. The heart with Torah, it's a healing heart. Becomes strong with wisdom and love. Chesed. So, and then there are so many plants that I look for. There's a plant called Jew wheat. As you can read here, it's also native in North, widely known as a natural effective remedy for poison ivy. And then this one I concentrated for arteries because it has similitude to the arteries. This one is interesting. It said, "I treasure up your word in my heart that I may not sin against you." The arteries are responsible for bringing oxygen and they conduct the blood. So in the same way, the Torah, when we have it in our hearts, it's like it works for our bodies. It works for our human bodies. It's like the arteries, they in charge of bringing life and flow of blood, which is the life. This one is very interesting. It talks about the spinach. Very interesting. I was surprised when I found out that the spinach is biocompatible with the human heart cells, and they have done studies they're very similar to the arteries in the human and the cardiovascular system. So I use this for this painting. And the function of the leaf is very similar to the aorta. Very interesting. It says, "Blessed are you, O Lord, teach me your statutes." The aorta is the main vein where the blood flowed. The statutes of the Lord and the decrees are the source and what makes our blood, our life, which is the Torah, flowed over our bodies. It's very beautiful. Just as the vein return blood to the heart, persons return their thoughts, questions, and life back to Hashem. The veins constantly need the heart. Likewise, the soul constantly need the Torah. So this is a strength. Gevurah Sheve Chesed, Sheve Nexak, the day 4. The capillaries I picked is this plant. It is called Ficus palmieri, so to resemble the capillaries. And it's very important. Like every little part of our body is symbolic. It's important. There's our branches, the pathway, they resemble the way of the humans. The capillaries carry life through the body, quietly continue, and everywhere. So they distribute the life, and in the same way, the lips and the speech distribute the wisdom of God through other person's inner being. and outward into the world. It's very interesting how nature and the human bodies resemble. Now here is the chlorophyll, which is the red blood, symbolizing the red blood cells. And I will meditate on your precepts and fix my eyes in your word, or in your statues. Take a right here. It's interesting because the molecules of the blood and the chlorophyll are very similar. Interesting, one transport oxygen to the body, while the other one produce carbon dioxide and spill oxygen. It's like a mirror, they mirror each other. And the Torah and the divine wisdom become like oxygen. Absolutely, we need the heart, we need the capillaries, we need the veins, we need the arteries, we need those cells that produce oxygen in our bodies. This one on the day 6, the white blood cells, Gevurah Sheva Yesod. This is beautiful, this flower. I found this picture of this flower. It is called a skeleton flower. So beautiful because it's a white flower, but it becomes clear when it's touched by rain, revealing the delicate vein-like structure. The white blood cells reveal themselves during moments of trouble, infection, inflammation, injury, disease, any condition of the body. In the same way, a person under the rain and trials of life is going to show what's within. It resembles the delight, if we are delighting the Torah or not. Day 7, Gevurah Sheva Malchut. This one is phloem sap. It's very interesting. It's the liquid. It's a sweet liquid coming out of the plant. It's more like a honey-like, but it also looks like glue. It's a living tissue, and vascular plants carry water. Sugar is made by photosynthesis in trees, and the blood plasma is the yellowish liquids that make up to 55% of the total blood. It acts like as the body primary transportation and defense system, carrying water, salt, enzymes, vitality to the body. In the same way, when we have the Torah in our lives, the sweetness is seen, the sweetness is shown. The Torah and its divine testimony.